Hello and welcome to a very special video on how to use Jing. Now, Jing is a very special tool which basically lets you capture anything that you see on your computer and share it over the web in instant messaging or email. So what you need to do first of all, as you can see, I'm on the Jing website, and what you can do is download the free version of Jing. And as you can see, the free version I'm going to download is the Windows one. So you just click Windows, and once it's downloaded to your desktop, what you need to do is simply open Jing. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to open Jing. Okay, as you can see, I've opened Jing, and I'm just going to click on the capture tool. Okay, and it's quite simple, it's straightforward. As you can see, the capture icon appears. So let's just say you want to capture this screenshot of Google, and what you can do is you can use the toolbar, and what you can do is either capture the video or the image. Let's just capture the video, and okay, could not register the resume hotkey. Okay, simply what this does is it captures the actual screenshot video of Google. So it's pretty straightforward to see, and as you can see, this is basically going to capture this screenshot over here. Once you've done that, you just click on stop, and it should produce an SWF file. Okay, here we are. This is our screenshot that we captured before. Click play, and you should see our screenshot, what we captured earlier. Once you've done that, you just click save, and you just save it as an SWF file. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video on Jing.